Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a photography business with Adobe Lightroom step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your photography skills and niche. Determine the type of photography that excites you the most. This could be portraits, landscapes, weddings, or product photography. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Select around 15 to 20 images that highlight your unique style. Build a website or online presence to display your portfolio. Use platforms like Squarespace or Wix for easy website creation. Integrate social media channels to increase your visibility. Use Instagram and Facebook to share your photos and engage with potential clients. Familiarize yourself with Adobe Lightroom, a powerful editing tool. Download and install Lightroom on your computer or device. Explore its interface to understand how to navigate tools and panels. Import your photos into Lightroom to begin editing. Adjust basic settings such as exposure, contrast, and color balance. Utilize presets for consistent styles across your work. Learn to use adjustment brushes for localized edits. Practice cropping and straightening images for better composition. Export your edited images in suitable formats for clients. Set your pricing based on market research and your skill level. Create a simple pricing guide that outlines your services. Consider offering introductory promotions to attract initial clients. Network within local communities to spread the word about your business. Join photography groups or attend workshops to meet fellow photographers. Provide excellent customer service to encourage word-of-mouth referrals. Gather testimonials from satisfied clients to build credibility. Continuously refine your skills and stay updated with photography trends. Invest time in learning advanced Lightroom techniques and features. Regularly update your portfolio with new work to showcase growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.